Hi everybody, this is a weekly review of the interpretation of dream. I hope you guys are doing good this lovely Sunday. Today I want to talk about one thing. Last week Freud introduced 8 dreams about his study, and his first topic was the relationship between dream and our waking state. So I want to make a review on that point. So in normal people, when we wake up, we assume that the dream came from another world, and there is a scientist who are on the same side with the normal people. There is an old physiologist named Burdock. He is quite respected and famous in this area. He says that in waking state we experience different events, and through this different event we experience trial, joys, pleasure, and pain. And while our reality never repeats itself, the Burdock says in dream we tend to have a same event over and over, through which we experience trial, pleasure, joy, and pain. So Burdock argued that the dream is not related to our reality, and we have another scholar named Strumpel. Strumpel also is on the same side with Burdock, and he says that our normal life is usually organized and orderly content. We have a waking state, but in dream it seems that this orderly content and organized content seems to be totally strange, lost and forgot. So Strumpel also says that the dream is not related to our reality. So Strumpel and the Burdock are the ones who argue that dream is not related to our reality. However, majority of the scientists, they had the opposite belief of these two scholars. So they believe that dream also is heavily related to our waking state. So one of the scientists in the majority group are called Hafner. Hafner argued that the dream is just a continuation of our waking state. So usually when some event happens right shortly before we go to the dream, we tend to have that event in our dream, and says dream heavily rely on our everyday life. And also the Weygand, he flatly made a rebuttal on the Burdock. Weygand also says that the dream always brings our life into everyday life. So dream is really closely related to everyday life. And also we have a French philosopher named Maury. In his result, he argued that the dream is the dream. We have dream. We dream which we experience, and we have dream which we have said. We have dream which we have desired and wanted. So Maury also argued that the dream is closely related to our waking everyday state life. So this was quite a simple summary of last time's review, and I hope it helped you understand your material. Thank you for watching. Bye.